Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert dashed line in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook, then go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu. We can see here many shape. Now I am select the line shape. Then draw a line. You can draw this line horizontally, otherwise vertically. Now I am draw horizontally. Press and hold the shift on our keyboard to make the line perfect. Select the line shape. Go to the shape format menu. Choose shape outline. You can change the color. Now I am select the red color. Click shape outline option again. Click the wide and increase the wide. Now go back again and select the dash option and choose the dash. Now we can see here the dash. Now we can see we make a dash line in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.